how to connect your Facebook page with Instagram page, so you can post Facebook at the same time in Instagram as well. So it's very easy and simple, and I try to make it short as much as I can. Go to settings. So in here you can see all the options: WhatsApp, Instagram. So connect Instagram. Make sure your Instagram page is business page. Okay, this is called personal profile and a business profile. You have to make business profile in order to connect it and post at the same time. So if I click on connected, make sure you also log in on computer if you connected at the same time, or in your mobile phone. So connect account. Yeah, login. See, all is connected. So if you go to settings again, and you can see your Instagram page is connected. So you're going to, yeah, see, page, and now go to settings. In here you can see that your page has been connected. So once you connected, business connected information, if you don't click on here, and you can't post at the same time, your page just connected, but doesn't mean you can post at the same time. So you have to click on scan information, save and continue, then you can post Facebook, post in Instagram at the same time. So you don't have nothing to do. Go to page. So yes, see, manage your Facebook page and Instagram together, business. Go to business. Okay, now connected. Okay, so you see Facebook and Instagram is connected. Now if I create a post, it will ask you whether you want to post at the same time Instagram as well. I'll click that and add a video. Very easy and simple. Yeah, okay, and it will automatically connect it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you, guys. Bye.